behavior of that woman made Saint Peter very much angry, as he was very much tired and fainting with hunger. So such behavior was enough to instigate a saint. Okay, and he said, "You are far too selfish to dwell in a human form." Okay, you are very much selfish. What did that saint tell to that lady? He said, "You are far too selfish to dwell in a human form." What is the meaning of dwell? Dwell means to live. Okay, a human being must not that much selfish. You don't deserve to be a human being. You don't deserve to live as a human being. He said, "You are far too selfish to dwell in a human form, to have both food and shelter, and fire to keep you warm." Okay, you must not have food, shelter, and fire to keep yourself warm, because you don't deserve to have such possessions with you like food, shelter, or fire. You don't deserve all these things. You don't deserve to be a human being. Now you shall build as the birds do, and shall get your scanty food by boring and boring and boring all day in the hard dry wood. And he cursed him. He said him, "Now you have to do hard work like birds, okay, to get your food and shelter. And you shall build as the birds do." Build, birds, example of alliteration, B consonant letter. "And shall get your scanty food." You are fond of eating scanty food, very small food, then you must be a bird now. By boring and boring. Boring means to make holes. You will have to make holes on the wood or anything to get your food. Okay. By boring and boring and boring. The word boring has been repeated 3 times, and this is the example of repetition. And all day in the hard dry wood. कहाँ पे boring करेगी वो? In the hard dry wood. Okay. Then up she went through the chimney, never speaking a word, and out of the top flew a woodpecker, for she was changed to a bird. She was changed to a bird named as the woodpecker. Okay, who keep on biting the wood with his sharp and strong beak. Okay, so she went up the chimney of the house, a place kept in the house to move out the smoke. Okay, so she went out through the chimney of the house to the outside over the house, never speaking a word, and out of the top flew a woodpecker without speaking anything. Okay, when she came out of the chimney, she had been converted into a woodpecker, for she was changed into a bird. She had a scarlet cap on her head, just like woodpeckers. So she was having a red color. Scarlet means red color, deep red color cap on her head, and that was left the same, but all the rest of her clothes were burned black as a coal in the flame. Okay. So as she was passing through the chimney, all of her clothes were burnt in the flame. Okay. And only a cap was left on her head. Okay. She had a scarlet cap on her head, and that was left the same. But all the rest of her clothes were burned black as a coal in the flame. Her clothes were burned like they were black, like coal in the flame. Use of simile here. Black as a coal. Okay, she was as black as coal. Now every country schoolboy has seen her in the wood. So all the schoolboys who were passing from that tree, they would see her where she lives in the tree till this very day. आज तक She is living on the same tree as a woodpecker, boring and boring for food. Even for a very small food, she has to bore. She had to make holes in the wood as the bird woodpecker do. That's why this bird has been named as woodpecker. So in this way, due to the curse of that Saint Peter, she was changed into a bird. Okay, so the message of the poem is we must not be selfish, we must not be greedy, we must believe in sharing our things with the other people, with the needy people. Okay students, so that's all for today.